Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So usually in this channel I do makeup and skincare reviews and swatches, but on today's video it will be a little different. So about 10 years ago I decided to quit my 9-to-5 job in advertising, and I decided to focus on taking care of my daughter and really focusing on my bridal makeup business. And I think that was the best decision I have ever made. The bridal makeup business really gave me that flexibility, so I can do a lot of things on weekdays and then work on weekends. So I have a really good balance with family and work. It also gave me a decent income. In fact, my per hour on my bridal business is much higher than my per hour on my advertising job. And every time I would be doing bridal makeup on people, a lot of them would ask me how I got into the bridal makeup business. And there are a lot of aspiring makeup artists out there who would ask me how I became a makeup artist, and I would tell them I took a course. It took me about 2 years because I did it part-time. I have to attend school from this time to this time. And my answer would usually get frowned upon because a lot of people who are asking me already have kids and they don't have a babysitter to take care of their kids if they go to school for makeup, or they're already working full-time. And so they couldn't really commit to going to class for makeup. So when Online Makeup Academy reached out to me, I was very excited because finally I have something to share with my clients or my friends who wanted to dive into the bridal makeup business or the makeup business in general. Of course, before I agreed to them, I really researched them well. I really don't want to share false advertising to you guys, but I was very impressed. They actually have a physical business school and they are located in New York. You can even book a virtual tour of the school so that you can have an idea of how the school looks like. So if you're in that area, you can easily check them out. But I think that their online course is a perfect fit for people who want flexibility because you can access the online course anywhere. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. It is accessible worldwide. You can access it anytime as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. And it doesn't matter what age you are in. It's never too early or never too late to start, and you don't have to get any educational background to get the course. So really, it's open for everyone. And what's good about this course is at the end of the course, you'll actually get an Online Makeup Academy approved professional certificate. And once you get that certificate, you can easily get approved for pro discounts at MAC, Makeup Forever, NYX, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Stila, Temp2, Meron, and hundreds more. This is actually my favorite part. When I actually graduated from a makeup school, I was so excited to use my pro discount because you can easily get 30% off or more when you show up your certificate and get a pro account with these makeup companies. So as I've mentioned before, I actually took a course here in Canada in a makeup school here, and when I took the online course, I was agreeing to everything that they were saying. It's kind of like a refresher from when I went to school. But what's good about the online makeup course is that they're very much updated and they are very detailed. And another big difference is that when I went to school, after school, all I had left was my modules and all that I wrote about the lesson. But with the Online Makeup Academy, you get a lifetime access to the course. It would forever be there. You can access it anytime, anywhere still after even you had your certification. And when I was actually looking at the lessons, people who already got their certifications and people who would comment at the bottom of the lesson are still getting response from the instructors or from the Online Makeup Academy. And after getting their certifications, even after years, they still get support, they still get feedbacks of their work. So really, they would be there every step of the way, even if you already got your certification. So that's like the biggest difference that I find, and I find that very comforting, especially if you're just starting with your business and you're just having that feel for the business. It's nice when you have a professional that you can always consult and would always mentor you along your bridal business or your makeup business in general. So let me show you how it works. So first, you would log into your account. The program I took was called the Master Makeup Program, but you can choose other courses such as Advanced Makeup Artist course if you want to do film, TV, or high fashion. You could also get the Career Elite. This one includes a professional makeup kit. So if you're overwhelmed what to get for your makeup kit, this would already include whatever you need in your kit. They also have special effects and hairstyling course. And if you are thinking of doing a bridal makeup business, I highly recommend doing a hairstyling course, because sometimes the bride will book you for just 2 people, or maybe just the bride, or sometimes people would go to your in-home studio to do a special events makeup and do both makeup and hair, because they really go hand in hand. The module that I focus on is the bridal makeup application, because I really think that that's where the money is, especially now 2022. There's a lot of people getting married this year, and if you really want a good side hustle, I really recommend doing bridal makeup as your side gig. So my instructor was Mariana Bull. All the instructors are industry accredited. They're all very professional. They have a lot of experience in the field. Mariana actually worked with Vogue, Chanel, OK Magazine. She has also worked with a lot of celebrities, including Anna Wintour. So the mission of Online Academy is to nurture artists and to show students how they can stand out as a professional makeup artist using their own vision with a professional industry education. And their lessons are very organized and very strategically laid out, so you wouldn't be overwhelmed when you're doing the lessons. I also really like how they emphasize on sanitation, on how your station would look like when you're doing makeup, because I think that is what really separates a professional artist from another artist. I would personally hire makeup assistants that I know have a very good sanitation practice in place and that are very organized, because I really want my clients to feel that they are being taken care of. And I also like that they don't just teach you how to apply makeup, they teach you how to treat your clients, how to be professional with your clients. And I think that's also what makes people hire makeup artists, because there really is a lot of talented makeup artists out there, but people would refer you and hire you for how you treat your clients, how you make them feel. And the instructor would actually give you scenarios and would tell you what to expect on the day of the wedding and things that you should be mindful of. I really wish I had this course before I entered the makeup business when I was newer, because when I was new to the makeup industry, I was sometimes cramming and things like that. There's a lot of situations that are very new to me, and the instructor in this course would really give you all the scenarios so you could be really well prepared. And if you really follow the lesson and take notes, there's no way that you would fail in the business. And you might be thinking, this is an online makeup course, how would they know my work? How can they check my work? So it's actually very easy. So at the end of the course, you will be given a homework. So you will be asked to practice on yourself or on a model If you are starting out in the business, or even if you're not starting out, you just want a refresher, I highly recommend you to get a model, because you wanted to practice on different skin tones, different eye shape, different skin texture. You really want to have that experience. So make sure that you get a model, and make sure that you get different types of models so that you can really have a lot of experience. So when you get a model, you practice on them what you learn from the course. And when I was doing the homework, I just did it on myself, and let me tell you, it's harder to put makeup on yourself than on other people. I'm sure a lot of artists would agree to me. I don't know why makeup artists have a hard time putting makeup on themselves than on other people. I really find it very relaxing putting makeup on other people, and very stressful putting makeup on myself. But when I was doing my makeup, I did it on myself, and I tried the airbrush makeup. Okay, this too. I have never found an online makeup course that is very well-rounded. They even show you how to do an airbrush makeup, which I think is really good in the bridal business, because you can charge more for airbrush makeup, and it's not as hard as you think. So on this course, they also do an airbrush makeup course, so it's very well-rounded. So again, when I did my makeup on myself, I did airbrushing. So what I did after was to take a photo of myself, and then I did two. So I did an airbrush and then a transition to glitter. It's the process on how you submit your homework. So this is the form. This is where you upload the photos. And then after that, Paulina gave me some feedbacks.
Charisse, so taking a look today at your bridal makeup application, starting off with the natural bridal. It looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this work. Such a beautiful soft makeup application, perfect for the bridal. The skin is nice and glowy. Foundation match looks perfect. Color correction concealer application, and a little bit of bronzer too. Everything is beautifully blended together. Also really happy with the eyeshadow colors, just to accentuate the crease, the line, and to accentuate the lash line, as well as her eyebrows and the lipstick color choice. So pretty, as well as a little bit of blush, not like too much, just a perfect amount of blush, which is great. So it's nice and visible through the camera as well. Also really like that you send me a photos with the professional camera, how it looks like on the professional camera is so beautiful. Such a great idea. Absolutely love it. And then like a little bit more dramatic bridal with the glitters on the lid, and of course more liner.
They were so helpful. I have to admit, it was actually better than my school, because the response times are very efficient. And even if I'm already an experienced makeup artist, I've been in the industry for so long, there are a lot of things that I learned throughout the course. I was actually taking a lot of notes, because there's really a lot of tips and tricks that they share in the course. And what's good about learning from the Online Makeup Academy is that I can do one module, pause, drop my daughter to school, or pick her up from school, or make lunch. It doesn't really matter what time I do the course. It really gave me that flexibility, and that made me so happy, because I really love to learn. It's just that sometimes it's really hard to find time. But with the Online Makeup Academy, it's very easy to get access to it, and you can do it anytime you want. And they don't just tell you how to do the art of makeup, they also teach you how to do the business part of the makeup industry. And when I saw the template for their bridal makeup contract, I really have to revise mine, because there's a lot of things that I left out. Theirs was very detailed and organized, so to be honest, I really revised my bridal makeup contract when I saw theirs. So needless to say, I really and highly recommend Online Makeup Academy. If you have been wanting to start your makeup business and don't know how to start, how to begin, this really is a good resource for you. I think it's worth the investment, especially since you can get pro discounts from a lot of professional makeup products, and also you have a lifetime access and support to the course. So if you have been dreaming of being a makeup artist, I think that this is a sign to really sign up for the Online Makeup Academy. And if you have any questions that I didn't cover throughout the review of the Online Makeup Academy, just feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to accommodate all of your questions. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching, and I wish you good luck in your makeup artistry journey. Bye!